Number 1.
1994 GMC Sierra, price $10,000. It has 116,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a silver interior, and it runs on gasoline. Powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 engine, this 2WD truck still runs and drives great, showing no signs of rust and remaining solid throughout. The truck is equipped with power windows, power door locks, and cruise control, making it comfortable and convenient for daily use. It also includes an Alpine CD player for upgraded audio, a GM bedliner to protect the cargo area, and a roll pan paired with sport wheels that enhance its appearance. Additionally, it comes with a cowl hood, adding to its custom look. Everything on the truck works properly except for the air conditioning.
Number 2.
1997 Ford F350, price $9,500, comes with approximately 327,000 miles, a manual transmission, blue exterior, tan interior, and runs on diesel, powered by the legendary 7.3 Power-stroke turbo diesel engine. The owner purchased it several years ago for towing a trailer but no longer needs a truck of this size. Despite the mileage, the truck still runs strong, and he starts it periodically just to keep the battery charged. The interior is surprisingly clean for its age, and while the exterior shows a few cosmetic scuffs, it remains a solid and good-looking truck overall. He also had a limited-slip rear end installed to improve traction, especially when driving over grass during delivery work. Even though he wishes he could keep it, the truck simply doesn't get used enough anymore and spends most of its time parked.
Number 3.
1991 Ford F250, price $6,000, finished in a standout yellow exterior with a brown interior. This gasoline-powered truck carries a bold, vintage presence that still turns heads today. Despite its age, the truck has been maintained exceptionally well and is described as being in mint condition, reflecting the care it has received over the years. On the road, it runs and drives excellently, offering strong performance supported by a new 5.8L 351 Windsor engine that provides renewed power and reliability. It also features new 35-inch tires, giving it an upgraded stance and enhanced traction for both everyday driving and off-road use. Inside the cabin, the heat and AC systems work flawlessly, ensuring comfort in any weather, while the radio and all electronics function properly with no issues.
Number 4.
1985 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500. It has approximately 81,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, and it runs on gasoline. In terms of recent maintenance, the owner has installed a new Weber carburetor last fall, followed by a new alternator during the winter. A new brake booster was added in the spring, and a new battery was installed last summer. The tires have only a couple of thousand miles on them, and all fluids were serviced within the past year to year and a half. The heating system is fully operational as well. However, there are a few issues worth noting. The air conditioning currently does not hold a charge. The reverse lights do function, but the shifter needs to be pushed slightly upward after shifting into reverse to ensure the lights turn on properly. Additionally, there is a slow oil leak that appears to be coming from the rear main seal.
Number 5.
1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,800. The truck has approximately 205,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive in various conditions. It comes with a V6 3.4-liter gasoline engine, known for its durability and solid performance, and the 4x4 drivetrain adds extra capability for off-road use or challenging terrain. The exterior of the truck is finished in white, and the paint remains in nice condition, giving the vehicle a clean and well-maintained appearance. Inside, the cabin features a gray interior that has been kept in good shape over the years, reflecting careful ownership. The truck also rides on new tires, which enhance both safety and drivability. Overall, this 1995 Tacoma runs and drives well, offering a dependable combination of power, practicality, and Toyota build quality.
Number 6.
1992 GMC 1500, price $9,000, equipped with a manual transmission and showcases a clean black exterior paired with a matching black interior, giving it a classic and uniform look. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a well-maintained 350 engine that remains in excellent condition. The truck is completely rust-free and comes with a clean title, adding confidence for any potential buyer. Its tires still have roughly 90% of their lifespan remaining, offering strong road reliability. The interior has also been well kept over the years, reflecting the overall care and attention the current owner has put into the vehicle. Altogether, this GMC 1500 stands as a solid, dependable truck with strong mechanical health and a clean, preserved appearance.
Number 7.
2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500. It has 206,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a gold exterior with a tan interior, and runs on a gasoline-powered 5.7L Vortec paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission. It rides on all-terrain tires and has tinted windows. Within the last 4,000 miles, it received several upgrades including a brush guard, tow mirrors, a new stereo, toolbox, new headlights and brake lights with bulbs, fresh floor mats, a new 4x4 actuator switch, and a replaced headliner. It has also been fully serviced with fresh fluids, a new air filter, greasing, and new wiper blades. The truck does show some wear, such as seat tears, rust on the rear bumper, and paint chipping on the tailgate.
Number 8.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It runs and shifts strong thanks to a professionally rebuilt turbo 353 speed transmission with 2 years of warranty remaining and a healthy 5.7L V8. Most hoses and fluids have been serviced, the oil was recently changed, and the front braking system now features new rotors and pads. It also received a new battery and fresh front all-terrain tires. The front end has been extensively rebuilt with a new pitman arm, idler arm and bracket, inner and outer tie rods, upper control arms, and upgraded sway bar bushings and end links.
Steering is tight, brakes are smooth, and the truck drives straight. A MagnaFlow exhaust gives it a clean, strong tone.
The frame is rust-free and the engine shows no smoke or leaks. Inside, it has a clean blue cloth interior with working power windows and locks, clean carpeting, and functional gauges.
Number 9.
1978 Ford F150, price $6,500. It has always started up reliably, handled daily driving without issue, and proven itself to be one of those classic builds that stands the test of time. With 104,000 miles currently on the odometer, it still runs and drives impressively well for a truck of its age, showing the durability and strength that older F-Series models are known for. Although it carries a rebuild title, this was only the result of an attempted theft many years ago, and the truck has never been involved in any accident or collision.
Structurally and mechanically, it has remained solid, and the family made sure it was brought back to proper working condition after the incident. Number 10.
1993 Dodge D250, price $10,000. It has around 113,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a burgundy exterior, a tan interior, and runs on diesel with its legendary 12-valve intercooled Cummins. The interior is mostly original and in excellent condition aside from the driver's armrest. With a clean dash, intact headliner, and good carpet, the engine remains stock except for a Bulldog exhaust and muffler. It has never been turned up and still pulls a 10,000 pounds fifth wheel at 70 miles per hour, while delivering 20 miles per gallon when unloaded. It also retains the factory transmission cooler under the cab. It includes features like tilt steering, cruise control, intermittent wipers, power windows, and power door locks. The AC does not work and needs a high-side hose. The truck comes with its original tailgate and a new Mopar grille.